This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use cutout sticker feature on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! The cutouts feature on Instagram allow you to create unique stickers by automatically cutting out objects or people from photos. It lets you generate sticker from photos saved in your phone's gallery as well as from someone else's Instagram post. And how to do it if you want to create sticker on your Instagram using this cutouts feature. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your camera on your story. For example, we try to capture this. So here's you can find your cutout feature on your story section. There is a sticker icon on there on the up of your sticker. Story. You can just tap on that, and you'll find there is an option cutouts. You can just tap on that, and here's you can choose the picture that you want to create for your cutout sticker. If for the example, I will choose photo from here. Maybe I will try to use this photo. Sorry. I will choose this one. It will automatically creating. You can also select manually for the object that you want to cut out. You can also undo if it doesn't fit. Now, after that, you can tap on use stickers and it will turns out like this. You can put the stickers to your story. You can also create more than one. Maybe I will choose this one too. Use sticker and put on here. Now you can just share your story with the cutout sticker. It's so simple, right? You can also create cutout sticker from someone's post on Instagram. For example, we choose this post. You can tap on the three dots on the post here. If there is an option cutouts, it means you can cut out. You can use sticker from that post. But if there's no option, it means the account doesn't allow you to create sticker from that post. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use cutout sticker feature on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!